A lot of south in that west. See that? Mm-hmm. Look at that. What do you think about that? That's just a whistle. He's gonna laugh at that. Look how far we are from the block.
You shooting golf balls at these puppies?
I've been waiting on you to laugh at that.
I mean, we're having a blowgun challenge here? What you got going on?
I've been waiting for you to laugh at that.
You're serious though.
I am serious, yeah.
What? Hold on, this one's got to get moved just a tad because the wing might hit it.
No, don't move it.
I had to. It would have got.
No, don't move it.
It would have got hit.
You can't move it.
You're seriously.
The ducks F us off for moving them.
What do you mean they F us off? That's perfect.
I was gonna set the whole bag and sprinkle it or out.
That's right where we want them. 3 minutes?
Yeah.
3 minutos?
3 minutos.
They're coming down.
That is really. By the time they get here, it might be time. They're coming down.
Is it shooting time?
Not yet. I lost my phone.
They're actually coming down.
I did lose my phone though, so I don't know what time it is.
Oh, there it is.
34.
34:09.
36.
Oh, I better get loaded up.
Dad! Mom! Mom! Mom, Dad!
What are you doing?
They're coming.
Oh my goodness.
Little Calvin trick. Caught in the jub.
Oh my gosh.
We're snow goose hunting.
We're gonna get 6 off the rip here, aren't we? Or are they going away now?
I scared them with the mom
I think,
and dad. No,
I think they're coming still.
Sister, brother.
I'm gonna give them a little mojo flap.
Oh, really?
Oh my gosh. Is it shooting time?
It will be when they get here.
Okay, let's do it.
Got them?
Let's wait.
I wanted to punch those so hard.
At least I give them some flashing. Maybe these jub like flashing mojos. The other ones did. Well, hopefully our ducks don't follow those ones.
The cinnamon coffee's a lot better than that other stuff we had.
I like it. Whatever we got today, I like.
Cinnamon.
Tastes pretty good. Still not gas station motor oil, no.
No.
But it tastes pretty good.
It ain't bad.
Oh, he's low.
You gonna do it finally? Can I just shoot him?
Oh yeah. Shoot him. Get him.
Okay, I'll kill him.
Nice shot. Bella. Bella.
I just didn't want to get skunked. Oh, these are all lessers coming.
Fetch it up. Good girl. Fetch it up. Here.
He was close.
Here.
Better than I thought he was.
Here. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Kennel. Kennel. Good girl. Good retrieve. And it was flapping. Nice shot, White.
These snows are starting to
Yeah, I know.
not right.
Looking good. I don't know if I should call or not. They're looking good. Ooh.
Do you know what we haven't seen yet?
What's that?
Rossies.
They're flipping. Yeah, we haven't seen any Rossies. It's strange. These might come in. Oh, there is a Rossie in there. You hear it?
Yeah, there's a couple. I can see them.
Kennel.
See them right in the middle?
Yeah.
There.
Shoot a Rossie.
Oh, dude. We might get a spin
They're
here.
doing it.
Big turn. Give me a big turn.
They're doing it.
Give me a big turn.
Give us a spin here. Come on.
Give me a big turn. Big turn. There we go. Big worm. I mean, big perm.
Might have to take this first pack out front.
I'm gonna say, yeah, if the little group gets in, we're gonna have to probably cut, not?
Yeah.
It was a Rossie. They were so
They're
cute.
getting nasty.
You see that little Rossie? It was so cute.
Yep, they're coming. Goodness.
Here comes the jub train. They're all Rossies out front, dude.
Yeah, we're about to rip them.
Come on, one more. Please. One more.
Probably have to take them here.
Oh God, we got a wad coming.
Oh, they're still coming. We still got them.
Yeah, this whole new group's loving it.
They're gonna bring them all back.
Had wind every day, and come on. Still liking it.
Here we go.
As long as they stay loud, they're still good. Maybe off your right, they're loving it.
Oh
here
yeah,
we go.
come on,
Here we
baby.
go. This is gonna get sick.
Come on, sit. Take them, White. Take them, White.
Ain't got no more.
I got 3.
I didn't. I missed once. I got excited. I tried to get excited and get another shell in my gun, and it didn't work.
No way.
Yeah. That's cool.
That was sweet.
Let's do it again. Let's get down and do it again. Maybe they'll do it again.
Candle, good girl. Candle, candle, candle. Good girl. She wants to go so bad. See if we can't get them another time. That was pretty gross.
I bet you don't know what my first shot was.
Did you get a Ross?
A Nate.
I shot a Nate first too. I shot the dark one.
Oh, that was pretty neat.
That was sweet.
Needed a tube though. Back right, we got some. Anyway, we got our snow goose spin.
We did get our snow goose spin
For the
That was
year.
Sweet. No wind, man. That was pretty good for no wind.
Oh, that was
Hope
very
you
good.
enjoyed
for
that.
no wind.
We're enjoying it. They coming?
Back right. Big wad fresh.
Oh my goodness gracious. Sorry, Bella. Want to take these maybe?
Might as well. If they
Or
get
do you
in
want to
there,
wait for
right?
the wad?
I don't know, dude.
I like watching too, but bald. Oh, we're gonna wait and watch. Might as well.
Can't believe we're
Look at
snow
these.
goose hunting.
We're snow goose hunters.
Hey Ethan, we're better than you at this. He's gonna be like, oh my God.
They're 5 feet. I'm gonna let you call the shot this time.
Heck no, I'm not calling the shot. I won't do it right. I'd be shooting right now.
Yeah, look out front.
Yeah, these right here in the hole. I think we gotta cut them out.
They drop. They're getting louder. We're getting it right here, big one. Oh my gosh.
Who are we? This is gonna be disgusting.
I can't see a dang thing, but this might be it.
They just keep coming, dude.
Dang it.
Out front.
They're getting louder.
Yeah. They love us.
Either good or bad. Sounds good.
Sounds cool to me. Out front. Right here.
Stinks we can only shoot 6.
Look at these. Oh, yeah, dude.
That one had a band on it.
It did not. You even shut.
Yeah, I just wanted to say that. Kennel. Kennel.
Right here. This looks.
All right, let's rip them. Oh, I only had one shoot. All right, let's rip them. Oh, I only had one shoot. Oh.
You got any players? I got a shell. They might come back out front. Three coming back.
They might. Kennel, 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 kennel. Good girl. I only got one shot off it. I went left quick. Oh my gosh.
The freshies.
What is going on? This is ridiculous. Where are the ducks?
They're fixed in with some.
All right, we're not waiting again.
We need tubes.
I'm gonna get me a 4-piece, maybe 5. This little lesser call rips like a snow goose.
Oh my God. Oh my gosh. All right. You just tell me when to burn them.
Take them, Mike. Take them, Mike. Yes, dude.
No goose hunters.
There's dead stuff everywhere.
Let's get down, do it again.
Oh my gosh. Back.
We're picking
go
up
get one,
now.
Bella. I know she's just dying. Good girl. Here.
They're close.
Unreal. Here. Good girl.
They're still coming.
Come on. Good girl. Nice little Nate you got. Kennel. Kennel. I know we got a lot more out there, girl. I'll let you go and I'll let you rip in a minute.
If you just
They
did,
keep
we'll
coming,
get
I'm
more
sorry.
for you to get.
They keep coming. I'm sorry. Cover you up. Good girl. This is ridiculous.
We're snow goose hunters.
We're snow goose hunting.
Our beautiful 10 dozen.
I know. We have 5 dozen Canadas out and 5 dozen snow goose silhouettes out with 7 full-bodied ducks 7 yards off our blinds with 2 mojos. No e-collar, just ripping on the old alpha call's lesser call. Oh my gosh, we do have some ducks right there.
Snow geese locked up flipping.
You want to shoot these 5 pintails?
I don't care what we shoot.
I don't care either.
Look at these snows out
Oh
front
my
right.
gosh.
They're gonna do it again, dude.
They're landing out there? They might be landing.
Yeah, they're landing. They are landing. So I guess if we get anything
We'll
close.
take what we can get right here on the
These
left.
ducks. How about these ducks coming around?
Yep.
The snows are crawling.
Mojo's
too.
on.
The snows are crawling too.
Okay. Look at the mallards. I can't believe we just passed that up. Gonna get the ducks?
You still can, yeah. One. Got these 3 snows might slide right on over here.
They didn't even get up out there. You got one?
I got 1 duck.
some.
Snow goose.
We shot some snows.
I can't believe those didn't get up when we shot the duck.
Yeah, I know, right?
Right, good.
Let Bella grab a few real quick.
Oh, I will.
Bella, back. Give me some nuggets. That was awesome.
I got a couple over here.
Did that first duck I got shot go down? Did it? Good girl. Here. Heel. Sit. Good girl. Sit. Back. Good girl. Here. Heel. Hey, heel. Hey, back.
You get this, I'm gonna walk them out.
Good girl. Here. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Hey, hey, dead. Back, back. Good girl. She's riffing. Here. Here. Kneel down. Back. Here. Here. Back. Back. Good girl. The left side is just mangled. Here.
I got a couple.
Heel. Heel. Dead. Dead. Back. She's riffing, dude. Hey. Back. Good girl. Come on, give Whitey a man. Here. Here. Dead. Back. Back. Good girl. Oh, she's so. Here. Dead. Dead. Nice blue. Look at that. Look at this carnage. Sit. Back.
Welcome to the jungle.
Good girl.
We got funny games.
Good girl. Heel. Sit. Good girl. Hey, heel. Hey, watch out. Heel. Sit. Back. Good girl. One broke the decoy. Here. Here. Good girl. Hey, sit, heel. You're ripping, huh? Back.
6.
Good girl. Heel. Good girly. Good girly. All right. Good girl. I'm proud of you. Hunt it up. Hunt it up. Right.
Cool. Look at this. Ooh.
Are those ducks?
Yeah.
Kennel. Good girl. Awesome job, girl. She just got 10 retrieves, no problem. Maybe more. Good girl. Heck yeah. All right, I have a 27-minute clip here. I'm sure we'll cut up a little bit, but we got about 20 birds down in under 30 minutes in one clip. Probably cut it, but hope y'all enjoyed that. Bella just ripped. She loves picking up some snow geese. She can see them. Whoo! That was fun. That was a lot of spinning going on. All right. Yell at me. There is a pile coming here, White.
The snow goose might get the business right here. See him right in the hole?
Yeah, I see him get him. Bella.
He came back.
Yeah, I did.
Jub band? No jub band.
Dang it. Here. Good girl. Thank you. Thank you, girl. It's a good girl. It's a good girl. You having fun, girl? All right, kennel. Good girly. Good girly. Did you see that one? Oh, we're snow goose hunters. Ryder said, I hope you're gonna kill that one. 50 mallards on top of us. That's fine with me. Yeah, that was really fun to enjoy the show there. Okay, we can move these motors out now that our snows are probably done here. I'm gonna move them out. Oh, we're frosty as hell, dude.
Holy cow, we're glistening.
We are glistening. That's a good girl. Kennel, kennel, kennel. Good girl. That's what you want your dog to look like while you're hunting right there. I love it. I love that she does that for me. Oh, there was 2 things I wanted in a dog when I first got her. Don't break, stay hidden in your blind. It's the very first 2 things I asked for when I wanted a dog. I didn't want a breaking dog. Hunt with a lot of people, guiding. You don't want a dog that breaks. Also, you want a dog that stays hidden, so you can't blame it for anything that happens on the hunt if it doesn't go right. So Bella actually has those 2 things covered. That was actually the first 2 things she had covered whenever I got her out in the field, and made my day so much better. The retrieving, the hand signals, all that, that'll come. That'll come with time, training, hunting, retrieving, all that. She's progressing really quick. Okay. Mojo on, need a duck. Dude, it's cold enough to where I don't think these mallards have really, I don't know. We've seen a bunch though. I don't like where those just sat down though.
We didn't see many mallards. There's a F ton of pintails.
It's only 7:38. I don't think they've come yet. Gosh, I love this gun. Love this gun.
We gotta clean all these things. I didn't shoot that many of them.
Nah.
It was fun. How couldn't you not enjoy that?
I don't know.
Even though they were white chickens. And we had some wind and we could have just got them on the ground.
Oh, if we had a 5 miles per hour wind, we would have landed 100, 200 of them easily, maybe more. I'm gonna have a sip of my coffee and enjoy the rest of the morning.
Yeah, I can't believe you didn't call the shot on the ducks sooner when they were right there.
Bro, them ducks
Like,
did it gross.
Cool, let the ducks go like that?
We've been hunting a lot of ducks, so I wanted to see what the snows would do. I'm not racist. What would you call that? I'm not
There's some ducks. They didn't even look at us. You guys were right here last night. I know it. I seen you.
Those 20 ducks did it nasty as hell, though.
No e-collar.
Nothing.
There's some lower ones right on top of us. Looks like there's a pair that might like it. Pair's coming down quick.
Out front. Take them white. Get them both. Take them white. Get them both.
Oh, might have pushed her backwards.
Oh, Nelly.
Might have pushed her backwards.
She wanted the green bean. Fetch it up. Get it. Back.
That wasn't bad. We just keep having that happen.
Here.
Get that green head first. That
Yeah, she
other
wants
one's
that green.
probably a little disturbed.
Dead. Hey, back. Back. Good girl. That's a nice stud greenhead.
Yeah, it was.
There you go. Here. Good girl.
Feather band. You
Good
darn
girl.
dog. Oh, right here in the hole. Right here in the hole.
Kennel, 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 kennel. Take him, White.
Got them all.
Yep. Take him, White.
Got them all.
Yep. You got two?
I got them both.
Nice. Give me some knuckles.
I swung on that hen. They tried to kill her first.
Hey, kennel. You just busted out. Kennel. I know it's exciting. Bella, back. Good girl.
Ripping, dude.
Oh, yeah, we're ripping. Fetch it up.
It's 5.
Here. Heel. Heel. Sit. Good girl. Sit. Back. Good girl. She's marking good. Look at all these greens. Here. Heel. Heel. Sit. Good girl. Sit. Sit. Back. Back. Where is the other one?
It's right at the end of my shadow in my head.
This way?
See my head, my shadow? Yeah.
Over. Over. Good girl.
Just say you just looked at it. That was it.
Nice. Good job. I didn't know where it was. Heel. Sit. Pitch it up. Come on. Get them cripples. Good girl. I know you don't like them. I know.
Sorry, Bella. I had to try to swing on that one. She was doing Mach 10.
There you go.
Hold on.
See, why didn't like it either, Bella? Good girl.
I didn't want the blood
Good
to
girl.
splash on my
Kennel.
face.
Good girlie. Good girlie. I'll give you some loving. That's like 20 retrieves. Come on. Good girl. Good girlie.
Yeah.
She's getting better, huh, Ryder?
The ducks keep coming like that. I'll take it.
Yeah, that's nasty ducks. Those decoyed like pintails. Give her a little love. Give her a little love. She's working. She's working quick. Working quick today, isn't she? Still getting them cripples a little slow, but we'll work on that. We're still working on it. Kennel. Kennel. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girlie. Oh, that's awesome. Okay. Shoot, I think I've only shot, what, 2 ducks?
Well, if a pair comes in, it's all yours.
What are you at now, 5?
5.
Oh, man.
I just came across this.
Whitey and I are ripping on the old G-Force 2s with the old bronze and black. These guns look really good. I love them. G-Force 2. You can use my code COLE10 at gfarmory.com. They are really affordable, high quality guns. It's not a good, that's not
Cut.
I mean, I smoked him, didn't I?
I think he shot right behind you.
Right behind him?
Yeah.
Suck it! Suck it! Suck it! Says behind my ass. Come here. Sit. Back.
That was a nice shot,
Back.
dude.
Somewhere in there, right? Good girl.
I hope it's banded now. You know how sick that would have been for your advertisement?
I know. Shit, I clicked off.
Shot it right in mid-advertisement.
Well, I got mad. I got mad, but I got him. I got him coming back higher.
Like, that would have been funnier than crap.
Good girl.
Boom. They shoot really straight. You guys should probably go online.
I was
and buy
mad.
one.
Kennel. I'm tired. I keep missing behind them. Gosh dang it! And keep trying to quick shoot them instead of just taking my time.
Oh, ducks up top, locked up, bombing.
Oh, gosh dang it! I'm not even front left.
There we go. Get in.
Take them white. Is that you?
Oh, the double?
Yeah.
I think so.
Nice. Bella.
I don't think it was you, was it?
I couldn't get over that far.
Okay.
Fetch it up! Looking at me.
I mean, they weren't both greenheads.
No, they weren't. Here.
I can tell you this, I was shooting at a
Back.
greenhead. There should be one right there.
Good girl. Here. Heel. Heel. Come here. Sit. Good girl. Good girly. Good girly. Huh?
There's another one.
There's 3?
Yeah, I shot 3.
Oh. Here.
It should be right in the decoys.
Sit. Where?
Like right here on the edge somewhere. My first shot was on the one on the ground.
Oh. Heel. Sit. Back. Back.
I don't see it, but
Maybe that's what she was running after first.
it should be right here. Oh, he's right there.
There you go, girl.
Yeah,
Here. Heel.
that
Sit.
was my first shot.
Sit. Good girl. Nice.
You want to move these that way for you?
Yeah, I'm about to. I can't shoot
Hey.
anything.
You want to hold it? I didn't even see it.
Bella. Gosh, that thing was hauling butt.
Good shot.
It kept going. Oh, man. Here. Good girly. Thank you. I know you want some praises. You did. Yes, you did good. You know you did good. Kennel. Man, you busted out of that kennel. I love it. You're getting fast. Getting faster. Good girly.
Darn, they seen the feet on the ground. They went right to him.
Yeah, that's what they've been doing, dang it. Jeez Louise.
You're an idiot. Well, duh.
five more singles and we got them. Dude, I hit those mojos.
You up in here?
She goes, you should have seen that bank. It was awesome. These might look at us here. Let's maybe do it again. Straight right. Kennel.
That's what you're gonna give us? Wow, that's very friendly of you.
Son of a bitch.
Start shooting you at 70 if you want to play Agni.
I'll rake you at 50, no problem. I got the lead.
I got what I need.
I got what I need.
I figured out the lead.
I figured out the lead. That hen wasn't an easy shot either.
Oh no, she was moving. Crow gave her a kick. We are no longer snow goose.
Dang it!
Trode.
A little refill on the coffee. It's about mid-morning. A little update for you guys. Whitey shot a limited ducks. They all loved his side this morning. I was just snow goose hunter. I was a little McCheeseburger this morning, getting a little refill on the old coffee.
That Big Mac sauce on.
Kisner, we got a little Big Mac for you this morning. you people that follow this channel, you probably won't know what we're talking about, but there is one person in particular I'm talking to, Mr. Kisner. Clean the old gunsies. It's getting a little slow. Yeah.
I attended to it one time.
I guess that's it. Calm day. Not a day waterfowl flies around. Not the day.
Yeah, I brought this extra box of shells for no fudging reason today. He froze, like looked at me like, what?
He's like, what'd I do?
I just said back.
What'd I do this time?
You didn't do anything wrong. I just said back. See what you would do.
You're always doing something. Okay.
Move!
16 geese.
28 ducks.
16 geese. I didn't know we got that many geese. Guess we drive slow home.
Yeah. Catch
We're a
flight.
little truck packed up. Little truck full.